How to upgrade to premium on Spotify app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upgrade to premium on the Spotify app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now you can definitely upgrade to premium using the Spotify app, but the problem is that this can only be possible on Android. If you're using an iPhone, you can't get the premium from the app. You have to go to spotify.com from your browser. For Android users, it's pretty much simple. Just open up the Spotify application and log into your account. Then once you log in, you'll find the premium tab from the bottom right here. Then right here you'll find get premium button, so you can tap on get premium, and all you have to do is simply select with a card or with a Google Play account. Then once you've done that, you can tap on continue option. Then you can simply enter your login details or your Google Play card details, and then you'll be able to buy Spotify premium. This way you can upgrade to premium from the app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.